Unit 1, Exercise 6. Enter cash discount information. Task 1. Enter invoice and change cash discount information. The following invoice arrived with payment terms that are different than usual for the supplier. You want to enter the document net so that the discount is posted immediately. So, 1. Enter the invoice using Create Supplier Invoice app. Enter the header data and the PO number. Check the default document type and change it to RN, invoice net if necessary. So, supplier, create supplier invoice. The document is here. Invoice net. The date. And the purchase order. Okay, we will see these messages in the purchase item. So we are going to correct the quantity and the prices. So here, okay, we are going to check for the balance. Balance is okay. Quantity invoiced is smaller than the good received quantity. Okay. We need that to follow the invoice. Check the term of payment and change them if necessary. So here in the payment, we have the term of payment, which is this one, 40 days, 3%, cash discount, payable within 30 days, 2%, payable net within 45 days. So this one. Before you simulate the posting, answer the following questions. So here, let's see the items. How are the cash discount posted? Does the valuation of the material affect the posting? The answer is yes. If we have a product with the valuation price, the cash discount is posted in the stock account. We see this in the previous lesson here. If the material is managed with the MAP, PMP in French, and there is adequate stock coverage, the cash discount is credited to the stock account. And if there is zero stock coverage, the entire amount is posted to the price difference account. So that's answer the first question. And which discount percentage rate does the system use in the calculation? So the system used the first percentage in the condition, payable within 40 days with 3% cash discount. So we are going to simulate. We have a correct balance. And here we see that we have the supplier account, the good received invoice received for the 3 products, then the taxes, and here the clearing vendor discount net method, which is an addition of the 3 discounts. This one and this one are updated in the stock product, and this one is in the account gain from production variances. We are going to check here with the answer solution. Okay, and here the system credit the stock account for the first 2 items, material with the PMP valuation price, and the system posts the amount of the cash discount to price different account for the third material with standard price. Okay, so we're good. Choose post, you receive a message that displays the document number. Okay. Now back to the task 2, which is here. Task 2. Display the customizing setting for term of payment and default document type. Perform this task in the backend. Okay, so here, open the customizing for financial accounting for the invoice and credit memo entry and display the activity for the term of payment. Term of payment. So in the financial accounting, we have the account receivable and account payable, business transaction, incoming invoice and credit memo, and here maintain the term of payment. Okay, what date is proposed as a baseline date when you use the term of payment key 002? Okay, the key is here, baseline date. Okay, here default for baseline date is the document date. So in other words, it's the invoice, the date in the invoice. Okay, I will not change anything in this setting. Okay, don't close the reference EMG after this step. In the customizing for logistic invoice verification, check the document type proposed during invoice entry and invoice parking. Invoice entry and invoice parking. So this is in the material management, in the logistic invoice verification, income invoice, number assignment, maintain number assignment for accounting document. Okay, document type in invoice verification. So we would like to check the invoice entry and the invoice parking. So invoice entry is this one, incoming invoice. The document type allowed are here, invoice gross, invoice reduction, and vendor document. Okay, and the other one is the invoice parking, this one. In this one, we have only the invoice gross document type. Okay, do not change any settings. And voila for this exercise.